Hello, I'm very excited today to present the new EON Spatial AI Center. We are unleashing the power of spatial artificial intelligence for local partners around the globe. And I'm just embarking on a 22 country trip around the globe to do so. So what is this? A quick introduction. It's a partnership that is implementing spatial artificial intelligence in education, enterprise, and government sectors. And it aims to basically revolutionize learning, training, and performance by leveraging the power of this technology. And it's also a physical center. It's somewhere where you go and experience the future and experience that now. What's the context of this then? I recently, World Economic Forum championed AI as a top priority. It's ranked now #1 priority for training strategy when it comes to large corporations. You can see in this graph that if you look at macro trends that drives business transformation, the increased adoption and new frontiers, 86% is related to AI, broadening digital access. Now, what EON Spatial Center does, it has been created to address this specific need. Together with programs, products, our academy, the startup, and the city program, we can address the ramp up need to up to 75% of companies that we expect will adopt it, according to World Economic Forum, in the next few years. So I mentioned spatial AI, but what is spatial AI? In short, what it is the ability to use AI with physical environments in a contextual location, enabling interactive, context-aware experience. So technology is applicable almost to everything, whether it's education, enterprise, governments, and it allows you to have this friendly AI avatar that has a situational awareness and helps you to make and guide you through decisions. The objectives of this center is to deploy this at scale. I'm talking big. Typically, we start with 50,000 people, students, 7,000 workers. Also to address the need for the new jobs. We know a lot of jobs will be lost, but we also know a lot of jobs will be created. This new jobs opportunity will be in the area of AI, XR, and other related industry. But we also want to have a smooth transition, right? There is a gap here in the next 2-3 years where safety, security, and community cohesion as we deploy this technology needs to be enabled. I think the success factors here, if we do it right, are pretty astounding, right? We have the ability to penetrate a large market and adopt it. And we are forging strong partnerships and collaboration with various partners. All this is underlying foundation is continuous innovation improvement. With respect to the center and its ownership, it is going to be a collaborative endeavor. The local partner will be owning the center, and this will contribute to unique expertise and resources that we provide. In countries that are developing and underserved communities, we will also be present using EON Reality's Learn for Life nonprofit arm, and together with our institution, NGOs, and local governments. And for you, I'm sure you remember that have followed us for a while, is that we've been working
where we can put our decades of experience
for many years in this field to help underserved communities across the world.
The world around us. Don't miss out on your chance to change the world. Work with Learn for Life today to see how XR can build a brighter future.
Okay, so the partners we're looking for are exclusive, right? So we are looking for partners that have the know-how, have the contacts that can leverage in the local market and create something of a long-standing partnership. With regards to the market, I can tell you, I've been in this market for many years, and it's literally exploding. We see education institutions that seek immersive learning. We see enterprise that require effective training and performance solution, and governments that focus on the digital transformation and fostering new jobs in this market. We're also doing a whole series of reports around prediction. Where is this going? and how can you as an organization capture the market and capitalize on this emerging development. Of course, to do all this, the underlying aspect of this is our product. Okay, so we're not going to go in detail in products, but I will highlight a little bit of what we're doing in enterprise. This is the latest product release, and we cover a range of topics.
Platform is transforming the way that you work across multiple sectors, including manufacturing, energy, healthcare, aerospace, hospitality, tourism, security, and defense. Discover how.
So we are covering a lot of different areas in this sector, from things like getting guidance and assistance in manufacturing, helping in anything to do with construction or new energy sources, traditional oil and gas industry, and guidance, assistance, showing you, telling you, enable you to learn, train, and also perform in this environment in a very exciting and enticing way. Everything from surgical pre-planning, like you see here, to many other different, even hospitality industry, defense, etc. Now, to support all that, we provide in the center a turnkey delivery with all the infrastructure required, all the platforms, all the hardware, all the know-how, and all the resources. Now, a question I get sometimes is, how is EON standing in the competitive landscape? We are, in short, far ahead of competition. Not only were we the pioneer with respect to spatial artificial intelligence, in fact, we coined the term spatial artificial intelligence, but also because of our legacy and code-free development, 7 million assets, the ability to have a range of agnostic solutions ranging from a simple phone to a headsets put us ahead of the program. Now, talking about programs, we have a number of those. We have, for example, the Spatial AI Academy.
Welcome to EON Spatial AI Academy, the leading institution at the cutting edge of spatial AI research and development. Our mission is to help you harness the power of spatial AI through comprehensive and tailored courses.
So that's courses to get you up to speed. We have a startup program.
EON Startup Program. Picture a world where spatial artificial intelligence revolutionizes industries, transforming the way we live, work, and connect. I'm excited to introduce the EON AI Startup Program, your key to unlocking the full potential.
So this is to get people that are participating in the academy to start not only maybe business, but create new applications. The city program is transforming the entire city. Let's listen in.
Imagine a city where historical landmarks, parks, attractions, and museums come to life through immersive, personalized experiences. At EON Reality, we are dedicated to making this vision a reality with our innovative EON Spatial City program.
But we also impact infrastructure, security, safety, even emergency situations.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I am honored to introduce the EON Spatial AI Emergency Program, a cutting-edge initiative designed to revolutionize disaster response and recovery efforts in the face of natural and man.
So it's truly all-encompassing package. It also includes 87 different categories for education with 870 different use cases, more than 60 use cases for enterprise, even covering things like edutainment arena. Now, of course, over the years, we've done a lot. We have testimonials from across the world, if you want to listen in, how almost every continent with more than 100 countries have benefited from this technology and how you can benefit from it also. The important aspect is the positive impact that we've had in different sectors, showcasing the value, the benefits, and really truly how we've been able to transform learning, training, and obviously performance. And I will not talk so much about it, but you're welcome to visit our YouTube channel. Now, how are we marketing and providing the services in the center? So obviously we're using the traditional methods like online marketing. We do a lot of events. We have a big one coming up in June in Singapore. We call the EON Experience Fest. But we also use sales processes like direct sales to build relationship with key decision makers, channel partnerships to leverage the networks that we have. With regard to pricing, we have a tiered strategy, so wide range of offering different features and services depending on the end user to meet the price point. And we also have a very comprehensive customer support and customer success team, which ties in our operation plan, which I'm happy to discuss at a further stage. I do want to say a few words about financial projections. We see revenues on the center coming from enterprise, offering services and products to the enterprise, to education, creating our own application within the center. The expected revenue for the center, this is designed for a fairly small country like Norway/Singapore, is around 18 million expected by year 3. Now, at the current market valuation for spatial artificial intelligence with pairs, we talk about a value creation of $150 million. So very significant for an investor. This is for the full center. We have different sizes and different investments, and you're happy to contact us to give you more insights in this aspect. So now to summarize, if you are considered to become a local partner for EON, what can you expect to receive? Number one is access to leading edge, cutting edge technology. So both physical environments and things in the virtual space, the latest headset, the latest devices, and obviously the latest features. If you are a government or organization and you're looking at skills advancement or job creation, what you can expect from us is the ability to develop a skilled workforce, and we believe the center will significantly contribute to local economic growth, right? But also help you in that journey transformation of your workforce into this new era. The third benefit is obviously addressing what EON has done for 25 years, which is enhancing learning, training, and performance. The key benefit with respect to market penetration adoption is that we provide an exclusive license. We also have global network partnerships. And in short, this helps you step by step to create continuous innovation and improvement. Every month we have a new release. We are really pushing the boundaries together with our partners to be at the forefront of AI. So this is something that is a keystone or cornerstone in our approach. So those are the top 10 benefits. You're welcome to contact us if you have more questions. And if you want to get more details, there's a fully comprehensive, almost 130-page business plan that describes all the details of how to do this. So just don't hesitate to contact us. I hope to see you in my world tour that's coming up, wherever you are in the world, and embrace this new exciting future. Thank you.